is a really simple hack on how to make the perfectly balanced, super crisp water that tastes like you drank it from a glacier. Safety first, and I don't want to mess my clothes up. There we go. This is one of the tiers of our 2-tier filtration system. What tier 1 does of this very expensive system is it actually aerates the water. And if you drink wine, you know that's important. Pour in your non-filtered tap water, and you'll notice as it passes through tier 1, the bubbles start to dance around before they hit the bottom of the glass. This is exactly what we want. It creates oxygen, and everyone knows oxygen is good. So let this settle a little bit, grab tier 2 and give it a good squeeze. We just want to make sure we got all of the water out. The pressure from your hands actually helps to purify the water as well. You know how you can crush coal into diamonds? It's like that. So I think I have, a penny. That should be fine. If you don't have a penny, I know they can be kind of expensive. Just use a rock. And not stress this enough. Biggest mistake I always see. Make sure you drop it in flat, kind of like a belly flop, and let this sit overnight. In the morning, you can separate out that penny. And that's how you make